So in this video, we're going to review just a couple of pointers for translating, and the big thing I wanted to cover was the words at most versus at least. So up here in blue, you can see that I've got 3 times x is less than or equal to 15. So if it's less than or equal to the 15, that means it is at most the 15, because that means 15 is the biggest it could be, and then we want it or less, okay? So just be careful when you see this less than or equal to sign, it's the words at most. Now right below it, be very careful. You see how the x is now on this side? But it is still less than or equal to the 12. So even though the x is on this side, the product of 6 and x is still less than or equal to 12, which means it's at most 12. So that's the deal with the at most. You're going to see the x is on the less than or equal to side, okay? Now over here in purple, what you can see is that I've got 3 times the number is greater than or equal to 15. So the product of 3 and x could be more than or equal to the 15, meaning it's at least 15. When you see at least 15, that means 15 or more. So that's how this works. And once again, I can have, actually, let me flip-flop these around. Let me pause. All right, you can see I fixed this now. But I have that the product of 6 and x, which is over here, that is more than or equal to the 12. And since the product of 6 and x can be more than or equal to the 12, it's at least 12. Again, 12 or more. So I just wanted to review here that when you see that the variable is on the less than or equal to, that means that this number is a maximum. So 3x is at most 15. But right here, 3x is at least 15 because it could be more than or equal to. All right, let's see it in action down here. So for the one in your packet, we have that r plus 3 is less than or equal to 17. Now I think very quickly and easily we can knock out answer choice A because it has is greater than 17, which would look like this. There'd be a greater than symbol for 17, so that's out. Now it has 3 more than a number r. This so far is fair game. We have r is first. Now show me 3 more, which is what it does. But then when it says all of this stuff is at least 17, then the r plus 3, if it's at least 17, then it would be more than or equal to the 17. And we want less than or equal to the 17. So it's not B. Now it's not C because it says less than, which is a subtraction thing, so that's already out. And now it's answer choice D where it shows 3 more than a number R. So here is the number R coming first. Oh, actually this is a little bit of a typo. Sorry, that part should not be there. My bad. 3 more than a number R is at most 17. So that would be 17 or less, which is what this says. So we know this one is answer choice D. So you're going to practice now for the rest of the page. You're going to practice translating, and your answers to these are going to go into a Google form. And that concludes the review video on translating. Thank you.